Hi, what I have to show you today is a gastronom container shelf from Royal Catering. One of these you would probably use on a section. You would just put it in front of yourself in order to organize your prep or the mise en place. So this particular model has cutouts for 3 1/6 and 2 1/9 gastronom containers. Please note there are no containers included, just the cutouts, and the device comes with lids only. So you can use any gastronom containers lying around in your kitchen, and I believe in any kitchen in the world there's plenty, always. Just as an example, put one of mine in, so it fits any container between the 20 millimeters up to 150 millimeters depth. So just slide them in, put the lid on, and so you can organize your mise en place and your workflow. One thing also to be noted, that there's no bottom. This is not refrigerated. This is merely a shelf for the containers. So if you are looking for one with the containers, just have a look at the website. There's also a couple other models with different configurations for the gastronom containers. So you definitely find the one that you need for your venue. Each and every one comes with a 3-year warranty. But there's really not much that can break. There's only a shelf, so you're pretty safe for a long time. The producer also made sure they pack it really well. They put it in a really tough cardboard box, just like this one, with some packaging material in it. The cardboard is doubled, so it's really rough. So nothing should happen to it during transport. Alright, so if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.